Make your own do-it-yourself spice rack to replace these old ones by first measuring the width 2 feet, then measuring the height, which is 18 inches. Next, go to the Home Depot and purchase 4 1 foot by 3.5 inch maple boards and 4 2 feet 3.5 inch maple boards. Those are 3/4 inch thick. Then spray the boards about 1 foot away. Next, after the gloss sealer dries, we're going to assemble the first half, which is constructed with 2 1 foot boards and 2 2 foot boards, 3.5 inch wide maple, 3/4 inch thick. We'll need a drill and a Phillips head screwdriver bit, and a drill bit is 1/8 inch for these number 9 screws, 8 screws, and our countersink. Let's start by marking our screw hole points 3/8 inch down. That's half of the 3/4 width of the board. Next, mark the screw hole 1 inch in on each side. Okay, let's countersink those holes. 1. Okay, the next part is a little tricky, drilling into the second board. Just line it up by eye and drill. Okay, next, put in that Phillips head tip and put in that screw. Okay, mark the second board like we marked the first board and drill some holes. Okay, after drilling the hole, screw in that screw. Okay, the last hole. And the last screw. And there we have it. 1/2 of the spice rack ready to put spices on. And now we have 2 spice racks all ready to stack our spices on. The spice rack project is now complete with 6 shelves, each containing 12 spices, up to 72 total spices. Happy birthday to my lovely wife, Noelle.